Good afternoon, Turks and Caicos. Here's your 3-day public weather forecast for Friday, the 20th of September, 2024. The general situation: a weak surface high pressure continues to support light to gentle winds across the islands, while an upper-level trough is generating shower and thunderstorm activity in the vicinity of Turks and Caicos Islands today. Special warnings: a heat advisory is in effect for the Turks and Caicos Islands. The public is urged to stay hydrated and avoid prolonged exposure during peak sunshine hours. The weather is partly sunny in the morning, becoming partly cloudy with a very slight chance of showers in the afternoon, mainly over Providenciales and North Caicos. Chance of rain is 10%. Partly cloudy with a very slight chance of showers or very isolated thunderstorms tonight. Chance of rain is 10%. Winds are east to southeast at 5 to 10 knots, and seas are 2 to 4 feet over the ocean. Daytime high temperature is 92 degrees Fahrenheit, with a heat index of 106 degrees Fahrenheit. Overnight low temperature is 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset is at 6:46 p.m. The next low tide is at 5:11 p.m. The next high tide is at 10:58 p.m. The extended forecast for the next 2 days: the surface high pressure will gradually weaken, while the upper level trough gradually shifts eastward across the Turks and Caicos Islands, maintaining chances of showers and thunderstorm activity in the forecast over the weekend. Forecast for Saturday: the weather: isolated showers possible during the day, partly sunny with a high near 91. A very slight chance of showers at night. Partly cloudy with a low around 81. Chance of rain is 10%. Winds are southeasterly at 5 to 10 knots in the morning, becoming variable at 5 knots or less in the afternoon. Seas are 2 to 4 feet. Sunrise is at 6:37 a.m. and sunset is at 6:45 p.m. Forecast for Sunday: the weather: isolated showers possible during the day, partly cloudy with a high near 91. A very slight chance of showers or isolated thunderstorms at night. Partly cloudy with a low around 80. Chance of rain is 10%. Winds are east to southeast at 5 to 10 knots in the morning, becoming variable at 5 knots or less in the afternoon. Seas are 2 to 4 feet. The sunrise is at 6:37 a.m. and sunset is at 6:44 p.m. Now for your tropical weather outlook. Number 1, the central subtropical Atlantic. An area of low pressure associated with the remnants of Gordon is producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms more than 1,000 miles southwestward of the Azores. This system has a low chance of tropical cyclone formation through the next 7 days. Number 2, central and western subtropical Atlantic. Shower activity associated with an area of low pressure located about 650 miles northeast of the northern Leeward Islands has changed a little in organization over the past several hours. The system has a low chance of formation through the next 7 days. Number 3, northwestern Caribbean Sea and southern Gulf of Mexico. A broad area of low pressure could form by the early to mid part of next week over the northwestward Caribbean Sea. There is a medium chance of tropical cyclone formation through the next 7 days. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Friday, the 20th of September 2024 by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Monday. Have a good weekend.